Maths Mela. CIET NCERT presents audiobook Maths Mela. Textbook of Mathematics for Class 3.
Chapter 6. House of Hundreds, Part 1. Ajji, Teji and Jojo have come to the Mela. Guess the number of torrents. Here we have a picture of a Mela with many shopkeepers. Ajji, the grandmother, along with Teji and Jojo are on a shop with torrents. Grandmother asks them, "Can you make a guess? These are more than 100. Now, find out how many there are." We have a pictorial description of the torrents with 2 hundreds as the count given on both sides, along with jumps of 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50 shown on the bottom. How many triangles are there in a torrent? Blank. Dash. Try counting all the torrents. Total torrents, 50 more than 200, which is 250. A boy is smiling hearing this. Teacher's note. Help children to count objects beyond 200 and show how the counting can be done as earlier using the same number names. Page 65. Guess how many bangles there are. Dash. Try counting the total number of bangles. See how Teji is counting. Total bangles, 200 and 80 more is 280. On the left side we have the pictures of bangles arranged in patterns. Teji is counting like this. Bangles, let's count. 10, 20, 30, up to 100, 110, 120, all the way to 200, 210, all the way to 270, 271, 272, and up to 279, 280. On the right side of the page we have some boxes full of toffees. Guess how many toffees there are in the boxes. Dash. Count and check. Dash. A boy tells us, "These are lots of toffees. Let's count. 10, 20, 30, up to 100, 110, 120, and beyond. 190, 200, 210, and goes on. 290, 291, 292, 293, and finally up to 298. Jojo has 2 toffees in his hand. How many toffees are there altogether? Dash. 298 plus 1 is equal to 299. 299 plus 1 is equal to 300. How many more to runs to make 300? Dash. How many bangles less than 300? Dash. Which is more, bangles or torrents? The boy is seen calculating and telling us in a picture. 298 and 1 more is 299. 299 and 1 more is 300. Page 66. Let us do. 1. Jojo is jumping on a tiled path inside the Mela. Fill in the empty tiles with numbers. Here we have the picture of Jojo jumping on the tiled path. There are some numbers written on some tiles. 2. Fill in the blanks with the correct numbers. Here we have a picture with different stones, and some stones have numbers marked on them. 3. Here we see a boy and a ball he's playing with. There are some numbers involved with some signs, like 227, 230, 234. 4. A cat and a mouse are in between some numbers shown with some arrows. The numbers are 390, 387, 382. 5. Ants have found food on the ground. Guess how many ants there are? Count and check. Here we have a large queue of ants who have found food on the ground. Teacher's note. Ask why children got different answers and how one can get better at counting. The differences in the answers should be used as an opportunity to show why groups of 10 are more effective in counting correctly, even large numbers. Help children arrive at a strategy to count correctly. Page 67. Teji and Jojo have learned to write numbers with the help of matchstick bundles. They can also write number sentences in more than one way. We have pictures of Teji and Jojo on the page. 6. Fill in the blanks appropriately. We have a table with 3 columns. Column 1, matchsticks. Column 2, number. Column 3, number sentence. Row 1. 2 bundles of 10 bundles of 10 sticks. 3 bundles of 10 sticks. 5 loose sticks. 235. 235 more. 200 plus 35. 15 less than 250. 250 minus 15. 3 bundles of 10 bundles of 10 sticks. Dash, dash. 2 bundles of 10 bundles of 10 sticks. 2 bundles of 10 sticks. 8 loose sticks. Dash, dash. Dash, dash. 360 more. Dash, 59. Dash, dash. 109. Dash. 7. Place the numbers given here on the number line. We have a number line from 0 to 350, with jumps of 50. 235 lies between 200 and 250. It's given on the number line. Teacher's note. Ask children to make large numbers using matchsticks or any other readily available material at home and bring to school. Page 68. 8. Observe the pictures and write the corresponding numbers. Here we have some pictures in a table of 2 columns. Column 1, row 1. 2 bundles of 10 bundles of 10 sticks, 1 bundle of 10 sticks, 2 loose sticks. Row 2. 3 bundles of 10 bundles of 10 sticks, 1 loose stick. Row 3. 2 bundles of 10 bundles of 10 sticks, 3 bundles of 10 sticks, 7 loose sticks. Column 2, row 1. 2 bundles of 10 bundles of 10 sticks, 1 bundle of 10 sticks, 1 loose stick. 3 bundles of 10 bundles of 10 sticks, 1 bundle of 10 sticks. Row 3. 2 bundles of 10 bundles of 10 sticks, 4 bundles of 10 sticks, 6 loose sticks. 9. Make the number slider as given in the picture. Increase or decrease the numbers as given here. On the right side we have a number slider shown with the help of a picture. A. 285. Increase the number by 1. Dash. B. 147. Increase the number by 10. Dash. C. 367. Decrease the number by 2. Dash. D. 289. Decrease the number by 10. Dash. E. 290. Increase the number by 20. Dash. Teacher's note. Teacher to make the TLM and play with children. Page 69. Let us play. Flag game. Let us play a guessing game. Teji has thought of a number between 200 and 210. Jojo has to guess it. Here we have a number line from 200 to 210, with jumps of 1 and 205 marked on it with a flag. Why does the flag point to the right? Jojo guesses the number, 205. Teji says, 205 is wrong. On the number line we see number 205 with a flag pointed to the right. A friendly dog asks us, why does the flag point to the right? The number is more than the guess. Jojo again guesses, 208. Teji says, 208 is wrong. On the number line we again have 208 with a flag, but this time it's pointed to the left. The dog asks, why does the flag point to the left? Jojo guesses again, 206. Teji says, 206 is wrong. On the number line, we again have 206 marked with a flag pointing to the right. Jojo is thinking 207? Now you try and play with your friends and guess the number. Teacher's note. Play this game on the board with children. Later, children can play in pairs or small groups in their notebooks. The teacher can also make the game more exciting by changing the range of the numbers and restricting the number of guesses allowed. Page 70. Magical count. Write down any number name. Count the number of letters in that number name and write the name of that new number down. Keep repeating. What happens? Here we have some number names. 235, 23, 11, 6, 3, 5, 4. On the left and the right sides, we have the number of letters marked for them, like 23 letters for 235, and so on. The letters have been counted and given on both sides as 23 letters, 11 letters, 6 letters, 3 letters, 5 letters, 4 letters, and so on. 187. There's a blank space given for your answer. 204. Again, a blank space is given for answer. A boy is thinking and asking, will it always end with 4? Numbers on a line. Tell Teji, Jojo, and Holu what will be the next 100 number. Write it on the number line given. Can you show the number using matchsticks? We have a number line from 0 to some number, which you have to fill in the blank space. The jumps are of 100. 100, 200, 300, and 400. Page 71. Let us do. Teji and Jojo are trying to put their numbers on the given number lines. 1. Locate 216, 243, 257 on the number line given. We have a number line from 200 to 260 with jumps of 10. 2. Locate 329, 332, 337, 375, and 387 on the number line given. We have a number line here starting from 320 with jumps of 10. Fill in the correct numbers in the blank boxes. 3. Tell how far is 387 from 400. Dash. We have a number line from 370 to 400 with jumps of 10. Calculate how far is 387 from 400. 4. Which is more, 393 or 400? Fill the numbers on the number line given and show by jumping how far 393 is from 400. We have a number line from 391 with jumps of 1. Fill in the blank boxes with the correct numbers. Teacher's note. Support children to pay attention to the different jumps required in the above number lines. Teacher to also support children to understand quantities that the numbers represent using matchstick bundles or any other similar material. Page 72. 5. Teji and Jojo are hungry after all the running around. They go to Farooq Chacha's sweet shop. Here we have a picture of the children at Farooq Chacha's sweet shop. A. How many pieces of Mysore Pak are in one tray? Dash. B. How many pieces of Mysore Pak are there in total? Dash. C. How many laddus does Chacha have in the trays? Dash. D. How many dhoklas does Chacha have? Dash. E. Chacha is going to fill the tray with more laddus. How many more laddus will make the tray full? Dash. F. How many total laddus will he have after the last tray is full? Dash. G. Mark these numbers on the number line given. 423, 487, 438, 476. We have a number line starting from 433 with jumps of 10. Write the correct answer in the blank box. Mark 500 on this number line. Page 73. Let us do. 1. Teji and Jojo saw a big apartment. Find the house numbers of the shaded houses without counting. Share your strategies. Here we have the picture of a big apartment, Hop Hundred's home. There are some numbers given in the columns and rows, and some houses are shaded. You have to tell the numbers of shaded houses without counting. Teji says, one floor above 105 is 115. Jojo is thinking, 113 is 10 floors above 13. Fill in the shaded boxes with the correct house numbers. Teacher's note. Let children fill the first blank cell by counting, but encourage them to look for patterns while filling in the rest. Page 74. 2. Arvind Dada has to deliver sweets from Farooq Chacha's shop to different houses. Color the houses to which he has to deliver sweets. The house numbers are 209, 228, 242, 258, 267, 276, 290, 315, 346, 367, 389, 390. Here we have the picture of the Jump Joy Residency. The different houses are shown with the help of columns and rows. Some house numbers are given for you. One floor above 201 is 211. I can reach 212 by going one house to the right. Page 75. 3. Write the floor and column number for each of these houses. We have a table with 3 columns. Column 1, house number. Column 2, floor. Column 3, column. 13, first, 3. 67, dash, dash. 106, dash, dash. 159, dash, dash. 192, dash, dash. 231, dash, dash. 245, dash, dash. 328, dash, dash. 380, dash, dash. 399, dash, dash. Find these house numbers from the building and write the appropriate house numbers in the blank spaces. What do you notice? Discuss how the house numbers change when moving up and down and left to right. We have some house numbers given here with some blank spaces for your answers. 5. Who am I? I have digits 9, 1 and 5. I am less than 200. I have 9 ones. Which number am I? I am a 3-digit number. I have only digits 4 and 0. Which number am I? I am greater than 300 but less than 400. I have no tens. My ones and hundreds digits are the same. Which number am I? Page 76. Arvind Dada packs sweets in boxes of 100, H, 10, T, and has packets of loose sweets, O. The number of sweets for every house is the same as the house number. 6. Draw sweets for each of these house numbers. Here we have a table with 4 columns. Column 1, house numbers. Column 2, draw sweet boxes. Column 3, types of boxes and packets. Column 4, number sentence. 211. H, dash, dash, T, dash, O, dash. 2H plus 1T plus 1O. 200 plus 10 plus 1. 309, dash, dash, dash. 275, dash, dash, dash. 423, dash, dash, dash. 365, dash, dash, dash. 343, dash, dash, dash. 458, dash, dash, dash. 562, dash, dash, dash. 606, dash, dash, dash. 800, dash, dash, dash. Teacher's note. Children are supposed to show the sweets using Diane's blocks. One set is provided at the end of the book. These can be easily made using square math notebooks. Children can make a model using Diane's blocks before drawing. Page 77. 7. Spring leaf homes. Here we have a picture of spring leaf homes shown with the help of some boxes, with few of them shaded and some having some numbers written on them. A. Write the house numbers of the yellow and pink houses. B. Write the pattern shown in these numbers. A blank space is given. A. 8. Arvind Dada wants to pack small boxes of 10 in a big box of 100. A. How many boxes of 10 can he fit in a box of 100? Dash. B. How many boxes of 10 can he fit in 2 boxes of 100? Dash. C. How many boxes of 10 can he fit in 4 boxes of 100? Dash. D. How many boxes of 10 will he find if he opens a box of 100? Dash. Teacher's note. Teacher can encourage children to identify patterns in the numbers, in the digits, how the digits change, etc. Also, help children find the relationships among the hundreds box, tens box, and ones box. Page 78. 9. Number hunt. Write the numbers between 200 and 300 that have 5 as a digit. Is 245 one such number? Write the other numbers. A blank space is given. Let us play. Do you remember this game? Let us play it again. We will record the actions in the table given. 1 is done for you. We have a table with 4 columns. Column 1, hundreds. Column 2, tens. Column 3, ones. Column 4, number. The game is clap, snap, pat. Row 1, clap, clap, snap, pat, 211. Record the rest of the actions in the blank spaces in the table. Show and tell. Create a chain of cards such that every next card answers the question of the previous card. Distribute these cards among the children in the class. A child reads aloud their card and the other child having the answer identifies himself or herself. The game ends when every child has answered a question using their card. One example is given here. 4 different cards are given here. First card. I have 216. Who has 10 more than this? Card 2. I have dash. There is a picture. Who has 308? Card 3. I have 308. Who has dash? There is a number line from 400 to 430 with jumps of 10. Card 4. I have 4 hundreds, 2 tens and 0 units. Who has this? We have 10 bundles of 10 sticks, 1 bundle of 10 sticks, 7 loose sticks. Page 79. Let us compare who has more laddus and show it using the sign more than or less than appropriately. 487 laddus is more than 423 laddus. 423 laddus is less than 487 laddus. Here we have Teji and Jojo telling us. Teji says 487 is more than 423. Open mouth points towards the bigger number. Jojo says 423 is less than 487. Now compare 321 and 231. 300s are more than 200s. Do the other digits in the numbers matter here? No. So 321 is more than 231. We have this shown here pictorially. The mouth of the crocodile shows the bigger number. 321 is more than 231. Let us take another example. We are comparing 209 with 290. Both numbers have 200s, but 9 ones are less than 9 tens. So 209 is less than 290. It is shown here with the help of a picture. Again, the mouth of the crocodile opens towards the bigger number. 209 is less than 290. Let us do 1. Compare these numbers and use the signs more than, less than appropriately. A. We have the number shown pictorially, 119, dash, the other number shown pictorially, 201. 199 is dash, then 201. B. Pictorial number is 285, dash, the second pictorial number, 275. 285 is dash, then 275. Page 80. 2. Think and match these. A. 325 is more than 235 because B. 235 is less than 523 because C. 157 is more than 153 because D. 432 is more than 423 because E. 329 is less than 392 because F. 110 is more than 11 because the options are 329 and 392 both have 300s. 329 has 2 tens, 392 has 9 tens. 110 has 100 and 11 has no hundreds, that is 0 hundreds. 235 has 200s and 523 has 500s. 325 has 300s and 235 has 200s. This matches with A and is done for you. The other options are 157 and 153 both have 100 and 5 tens each. 157 has 7 ones, 153 has 3 ones. 432 and 423 both have 400s. 432 has 3 tens, 423 has 2 tens. C. Circle the smallest number in each row. A. 374, 473, 347, 437. B. 239, 123, 321, 456. 4. Circle the greatest number in each row. A. 466, 437, 439, 447, 483. B. 464, 387, 123, 256, 348. Page 81. 5. Make 3-digit numbers using 3, 2, and 4 without repeating any digits and color the greatest number with red and smallest number with yellow. Blank box is given for you. 6. Now make more 3-digit numbers using 3, 2, and 4 where you may repeat the digits. Color the greatest number with red and smallest number with yellow. A blank box is given for you. 7. A. Arrange these numbers from smallest to biggest. 456, 389, 207, 99, 110. Blank space is given for answer. B. Arrange the following numbers from biggest to smallest. 67, 376, 294, 249, 494. Blank space is given for answer. Teacher's note. While comparing two numbers, help children focus on the quantities that the numbers represent. Use Dine's block representation to help them see that one H more than one T and one O.
Maths Mela. You were just listening to this audiobook. Narrator Gaurav Marwa and Vasundhara Bose. Sound recording and editing Vikas Sangwan. Directed and produced by Vimalesh Chaudhary. This audiobook is presented to you by CIET NCERT, New Delhi, India.